hore men. Fulbe TV wari to men. Fulbe TV tikka mangam hanga hauta hore men. Fulbe TV wari to men. Fulbe TV kandari kone wenna berde men. Fulbe TV wari to men. Golle Fulbe TV teddino yitina tawa men. Golle Fulbe TV lata ke golle moddude. Jogiten Fulbe TV television ga gonde ten. Fulbe TV don holla binega be.
Inata metodi fana soto tendika koyoni siko buludu mobila sen meri sigo je chepi wule mole dum anin koyma je kakiola ko kutoka inata je sifai fana soto itole yo siko wule modum esi school onna school lam je fanati metodi ifanati janne je jamba kero dum anin kakio ye blumini koyma dum wole sanje testi ñun be mu le wobe ci sulle ci muslim arabi fanada biya o josom bakaw bakaw ñun ka la ci kunda yi daña ñun be lo wobe ci sulle nom bi yalla koy be maachka ale dele yela kala ko ndu ani le ci fa jamba kero ani don ka chati ko yo ni jamba kero la ci kunda yi daña ko la ale sentita soto Bakote Annex. New Joshua, Kalindi Annex. New Baby Gani. Di Karamundi ni ngi yala ko wala ba tolo basic school. Ye Karamu tawaro wala de fi ni yala ko yu Gani. Sara school fana fele de tanka. Ini sara Annex. Bunung Annex. Kata ko lati kunda sabili lati kunda anes senchas wolbe bigane tan tembi be kan jolla wala ñu josuati botaje kalindi de no kam sera kunda la ka wonde kam sera kunda bu school ko to bale ci Gambia jang min yalo ko i karanta jang siyata saka ko bodi ni wol jamale karanta bulu kana bijang fele be tan yela sifa ni bulu ngone be ga koyo dum ko taje min yana ko wala ka la kunda sabi e fana biya no be school badi wol ni karamol ni na siya e ni kan doron ko non do Gambia ba ko kaya ka falon le sai woto mobe dawo dai de men na doron wodo kon fana di way kala anu wala nyanta ban ko bu kayir walo non do ko ma Nakuna wal kola ake senton yom jele ifana ani champion ifale betandila ani Senegal school Banjul avance fanatian new convenant SOS ibefere jinata titan woto karangola kumaya manyana doyala tikasol bilumola ini alfani yana ko nindi ngol bekareni ko nge tempu nge jay ida kato bidim fajiro kadilol parendi yena ye parendi malte yena ma be jang akuma yaga alaji mama school pana sala be tambita ani fotu prepare ko wate wol pana be jang ifale be tambita apul tri Methodist school for nani difficulties wol ko ponni tele dindi ngoni yaro ko karanga ko ko yebudu bari ke tiga noje ifana e hakole soto ko londo soto wol bebe janne ide matola na Senate school di jam Nori Baptist Mauritania dole jambatero ni na ko mun ko dum ani mu be ko babala ifale be tanni kan ibe inin daws be lodi nyo balaje ifana be matola meke ta daws do be school amazing grace Abubakar Sidiq Bakaw Karamuo ifana fele David Tesloka ata ko mu matane Bari school Walo Lobe school Ake Konde Matenda Lord Memorial Matias Lord Memorial Imam Malik Islamic School Wolbe Schooloka Ube Matika Woto Karamuo Wokute Bankoka Yajide Senegali School Tani Ifana Bujande Yedo Koto Banyu Yedo Koto Tani Abubakar Sidiq de Lati de Tani Ifana Bujande Ini ke Karamuo Le Trini Alamo Ini Alphabet School Bele Bija because ɗumon mi ñana koyde banko kaddam bibiɓe matoɗa ye kannani ani woro siɓe ɗiɗi ala ko ɓe matoka woto ni tolbatati e hay konanol mbakanne e yimɓe kamini tani ɗo londola kummaya Chairman Roswada ala fas loko ye cosanole ke ɓe matoɗa ye cosan pareke e fanade matoɗa kay kandi ko na parel fanade fulete mi ala ko gaabo kolo na aɗa tuluna pula tulunale kana ye parede matoɗa Butum fans club wala be tambi kam yela asobil ke ibe pare kan ibe ñiñare alfana nimbara jere genje fans club yi san sen defet na jere genje modema ko to power station MPP nam tan ne ngepangi de get nam de gaida kana ka puni matola Right now, Mato Lebekeri, Nim Mato Botana, Bright Stars is Inyakatala on standby now. Standby. Immediately after the match pass, now we have the fan stop. And when they pass, we are going to have them Bright Stars performance. One Bright Stars men correct, but since the fans cross the road, baby correct. Nyom pour gisse ni ñoo display fi tay won ñu damin min gisse kaddu gi nga xamne moy taxa suñ duga mo suñ boppa do am sa boppa rek way mu sa boppa tamit ñi ñep ay fan cross di rombalen ñu joge ci situlay won stoppé ñaari Ramadulay Sow won MPP Benkafo ibebi yene abu ko bi dal mo man tu koma ñu am green white ba pare am green mu ngi mel ni daal tey ñëpp seen xel teelu na ne Gambia benn rek la ay benn nit rek la te benn réew rek la ñun ñëpp ñoo bokk benn The masquerades are also here. Can you take right side? Right side. Right side, can you come forward, please?
Ansu
wàccal
sol dimbale ko mu wàcc Ansu jógee fa ñu dimbale of Sierra Leone, the Honorable Speaker,
baaxut dafa waroon a nekk si plan.
Honorable Defense Minister, His Highness, the Amir of Kano, Federal Republic of Nigeria, the First Lady, Fatuba Barrow, and Madam Saja Barrow Barrow, the Vice President of the Republic of the Gambia, former Vice Presidents present, Honorable Speaker of the National Assembly, my Lord, the Honorable Chief Justice, Honorable members of Cabinet and the National Assembly, Lord Mayors and Chairpersons of area councils, regional governors and executive coordinators, members of the diplomatic and the council of corps, representatives of international organizations and partners, political party leaders, government officials, service chiefs, community and religious leaders. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, it is with an immense feeling of honor and joy I address this colorful gathering on this historic day, marking our beloved nation's 60th independent anniversary. As we celebrate the Diamond Jubilee of the political voyage that has transformed the Gambia into a sovereign state, I welcome their excellencies, President Faye, President Barrow, representative of our special invitees, and the Amir of Kano in our midst. We acknowledge the appreciation and delight, the grace of their presence, together with all the distinguished guests in attendance. Your Excellencies, please feel at home. Ladies and gentlemen, the theme for this Jubilee celebration, marching in solidarity for self-reliance and national development, should be at the heart of our reflections and actions. As our collective political journey progresses henceforth. The theme is a call for us to amplify efforts geared towards the strong, united, and prosperous country we envision. In doing so, it is essential that we honor the past, celebrate our achievements, embrace the present, and commit to shaping a brighter future through a collective endeavor characterized by resilience, hope, and determination. As we look back, the aspiration and enduring legacy of the nation's political fathers should continue to inspire us and remind us of the values of unity, fortitude, and self-determination that bind us as people. Despite major political disruptions, resource constraints, economic crisis, and other calamities, we have remained steadfastly committed to justice and democracy, and have stood united as one people, especially whenever it matters most. Today, we can proudly witness the past decades with appreciation of our achievements. The 2016 presidential elections, the historic 2016 presidential elections, leading to a peaceful constitutional change of government, demonstrates the power of unity and collective determination in shaping the country's democratic future. These spirits should be strengthened to bind us closer as we march head-on into the future. There is no doubt that since coming to office in 2017, your government has made significant strides in national reconciliation initiatives, strengthening democracy and promoting development while advancing economic growth. In the quest of improving lives and livelihoods, our 10-year National Development Plan NILWA now has focused efforts on sustainable economic development, anchored on infrastructural development, food security, human capital formation, and social protection for the vulnerable. From this, our economy shows remarkable resilience despite global challenges. The 5.8% growth rate in 2024 and decreased headline inflation from 18% in 2020 to 10% in 2024 are remarkable achievements. All to be better. It is projected that our economic performance will improve from 2025 onwards. Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, this year's theme emphasizes the need for greater society, confidence, looking inward for answers to our challenges, and acting on realistic and sustainable solutions. We also put emphasis on increased reliance on domestic resources to reform and develop our institutions and government processes for effective and productive service. All this implies taking more decisions for appropriate actions. Unwavering dedication of every level, both at home and abroad, in driving progress is truly commendable. But the need to accelerate this is more urgent than we can imagine. Evidently, it is through society, resilience, and self-determination that we can navigate challenges to position the Gambia as a competitive force in the global economy. This has to be a self-reliant, resilient, and inclusive Gambia for every citizen. Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we have made striking headway in various areas of development. With infrastructural development and growth of over the top priority, typically through construction, expansion or upgrading of hospitals, health facilities, schools, training centers, universities, roads, and bridges. The multiple projects undertaken, either completed or in progress, are already enormously impactful. So far, over 930 kilometers of roads, for example, have been paved, and more than 365 kilometers of rural and urban roads are ongoing. Our plan is to construct 500 kilometers more of quality roads. We also take good pride in our achievements in the area of education and health. These are a total of 424 new schools have been constructed, along with 6,400 new classes to meet the growing educational needs of Gambian children. As a result, the education sector has recorded inspiring progress. Gross enrollment rates reaching 102.8% at the lower basic level and over 50% at the upper basic and secondary education levels. This confirms the government's successes in breaking down barriers, expanding access to education, and creating opportunities for every Gambian child to succeed. We have similarly made tremendous strides towards achieving affordable and quality universal health coverage. The progressive rollout of the National Health Insurance Scheme and the recently inaugurated state-of-the-art, fully equipped health facilities across the country are crucial steps towards realizing this goal. I am pleased to announce that over 100 doctors are currently specializing in various disciplines at the Gambia Medical School, UTG. Also, other healthcare professionals are receiving in-country training in various areas or specialization to improve service delivery. These high points mark a new era in health services in the country and provide evidence of a truly strengthened health sector. Ladies and gentlemen, as the backbone of our economy, agriculture is critical for food security and national development. It is not assuring that, except for grounds, agricultural productions have shown through well-targeted government interventions. Although these impressive achievements highlight progress, they are tempered by high unemployment and poverty level rates, which contributed to irregular migration and crime. To resolve these challenges, my government will committedly continue expanding livelihood opportunities to uplift the status of our women since 2019. The Women's Enterprise Fund has financially supported thousands of women entrepreneurs, enabling them to establish and expand businesses. Additionally, our skills training programs have equipped thousands of women and youth with practical skills, thus allowing them to start businesses, enhance employability, and contribute to national development. To further tackle unemployment, the settlement plan for agricultural investment initiative presents a significant opportunity to engage the youth in farming and agribusiness, hence offering sustainable livelihoods in the agricultural sector. Besides this, my administration is actively promoting the establishment of light industries to create more gainful employment opportunities and foster economic growth. For Gambians, boys and girls, today we are a proud nation of 2.4 million people. These milestones call for reflection on how to better utilize our human resources, skills, knowledge, and the vast potential that resides in the people and the land for better and faster results. As we march on, we must acknowledge the struggles that many Gambians face, particularly the youth. The Gambia's youthful population is our greatest asset, and this includes you, the school children, and students in our educational institutions. You are endowed with immense potential, and therefore be able to drive our nation's growth. Yet too, many young people venture into irregular migration. Let me assure you that my government stands in solidarity with you, and we are determined to create various pathways for you to succeed here at home. The opportunities at your disposal are amazing. The technologies at your fingertips are tools to save your lives, change the fortunes of your families, and transform your communities and the nation. To succeed, however, you must pay heed to good advice, be respectful, hardworking, and law-abiding. Do not be deceived by the stories you hear about lands, about other lands. There is no land of milk and honey. This is a world of hard work, and no one can change this reality. I will quote the former Vice President of America, Kamala Harris. She said, "We love hard work. Hard work is good work, so we must work hard." Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, we are accelerating efforts to ensure that every community, no matter how remote, is powered, connected, and exposed to the comfort of modern life. 203,000 meters have already been connected to the national grid. All geared towards reaching our target for universal access to electricity by end 2025. This is a huge challenge, but so is our resolve on yielding. As we strengthen bilateral cooperation and invest in our nation's future, let this Independence Day anniversary celebration remind us that we are all together on a transformative journey. No Gambian should feel left behind. Our unity, resilience, and unwavering hope must propel us forward to build a brighter future for ourselves, our children, and future generations. Let us draw strength from the past and march forward, confidence and determination. We honor the countless Gambians at home and in the diaspora who continue to contribute to our national development. These collective sacrifices are to inspire us to uphold the values of democracy, good governance, and the rule of law. This way, we will maintain a stable Gambia where all citizens can realize their potential. The strength, resolve, and efforts of every Gambian constitute the heartbeat of the nation. But we must be thankful to our development partners, neighbors and friends accompanying us on our development journey. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, we appreciate the efforts of all parents in the country, especially those working with our institutions, and Libyan teachers who take care of our children. Together, before the security services, the voluntary organization and cultural group with us, I thank you for the elegant and entertaining parade display this morning. The occasion has been quite so long and brilliant, for which I commend the organizing committee and everyone present. Excellencies, on behalf of the entire nation, I thank you once again for gracing this historic occasion. We congratulate you every Gambian and wishing everyone a joyful anniversary. I ask that we continue to mark with solidarity, with renewed hope and commitment to peace, progress and stability in a self-reliant and flourishing Gambia for all. May the spirit of this memorable day drive us forward as we continue the collective journey to prosperity. Happy Independence Day anniversary. May God bless us all. Thank you.
A prayer, a clap.
Mehter is the voice of Turkish nation extended to all continents.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Mehteran unit of Turkish Armed Forces.
صف احترام اللي أصله وقت سرور صفا
golle fulɓe tv laatake golle moƴƴuɗe jogiten fulɓe tv télévision nga gondeten golle fulɓe tv laatake golle moƴƴuɗe jogiten fulɓe tv télévision nga gondeten sayo men